What's up, world? It's time for another Boom Shakalaka video coming to you live and slightly recorded on this football Sunday afternoon watching the NFL games. And we're going to try out this new IPA from Shiner. I've had a few of these and I can tell you guys that I am pleasantly surprised with this deliverance of this product. Two-finger pour, bitches. So, let's talk football, right? As you can see, I'm a Cowboys fan. Not because I choose to be. I guess it is a choice, ultimately. But I was born and raised in the area. Was a fan since I was a little boy. Been through the glory years, been through the hard times, and it looks like the hard times are upon us again. And we all know that you Romo haters out there, at least I can say that I have an argument for you guys, because without Romo, we've lost 7 games in a row. But I don't blame that on Romo. We should have lost maybe half of those games. But if the team as a whole was dominant and as playoff ready as everyone expected them to be this year, to be a contender for the East and for the NFC, then they shouldn't have a problem being just down their quarterback. They should be able to make do and at least go 500 during that stretch. This whole thing with the drama about the Greg Hardy and the Des Bryant and all this kind of shit going on in the locker room, it's a bunch of bullshit. But we all know that Sunday, Fun Day, is all about having fun and about having a grill out. You know, let's get the grill out, you know, and fire up the grill. Let's do that. Take this grill right here. We're gonna put it right there. Now, what are we gonna have today? You know, I featured my grill time with THX Inc. Boom Shakalaka a couple times with you guys. But today we have a special recipe that will also demonstrate my sentiments about the Dallas Cowboys. I've had this hat for, I don't know, about 9-10 years. And I think it's time that we deal with this properly. Got to marinate it, right? Got to make sure it's properly marinated. Yes, sir. That's what I think about what's going on with Dallas right now. Fuck these guys, man. They need to get their shit together. I'm tired of it. I'm done. It's a bunch of bullshit, man. We're gonna cook that. See how that warms up there. Pretty nice. It's supposed to have been an NFC contender this year, you know? Not so much. It's time for that hat to go. And maybe my next one too. I got a couple more. I got a jersey. I got a Witten jersey. Now I love Witten. He's a Hall of Fame tight end. But no reason to diss him, man. He's doing his part. He's doing the best he can. But the team as a whole, coaching, and the crybabies, and all this shit that's going on, F them. So, backup team. I'm going to roll with Carolina this year. I really like Cam Newton. I like the way he plays. I like the reckless abandon that team has. The run first offense. And I just like the team. I've always kind of liked Carolina in the background. You know, if anything for their logo and their uniforms and their coaching, they've always had a pretty good team. But they've never kind of got over that hump, you know. And but yeah, Cowboys, hat, goodbye. Fuck them. Pissing me off. And until they get their shit together, it's gonna be next year. They're done. They're cooked, much like this hat. And they're done. So, and I'm done for this year. Go Carolina Panthers, baby. Oh, shout out real quick. Gonna do my shout outs and 2 thumbs down. Shout outs to Wookie Nutsack. I really liked your video, your contribution this week with the Star Wars. The Hitler. The Hitler and Malt Liquor thing was genius, brother. And then also 2 thumbs down. 2 thumbs down to the cloudy guy. That guy continues to be a total ignoramus. Feel sorry for him. His mama must have beat him or something, or his dad must have sexually abused him or something, man. Something's wrong with that guy. Toxic fumes here from the Dallas Cowboys hat beginning to take over. But yeah, a little bit of grill out action here. So again, thanks for tuning in. 2 thumbs down for the Cowboys too. Done with those guys. And Ted Barris, I appreciate your efforts to kind of reel in the trolling, or at least bring it to a level of responsible, like, trash talk as opposed to cheap shots and stuff. Keep doing what you're doing. And of course, my brother, Metal Madman. Keep bringing the metal, brother. And the tasty beer chugs. It'll get a fire extinguisher. This shit's starting to smell. I'm out.